If you're interested in knowing how I made this cute necktie into beautiful neck art, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can take an ordinary tie and make it into a bold, beautiful necklace. So there are a total of 4 things that you need in order to make this tie. The first thing you need, of course, is a necktie. I purchased these from a consignment store. That way you're not spending a whole lot on a fancy tie. The next thing you need is a rubber band. You can use a basic rubber band. I'm kind of using a hair tie because it's what I had. You're gonna also need a safety pin or something in order to clip the back of it. So I'm using a safety pin. And then last but not least, you're gonna need a necklace. So this is just a coil gold necklace. You could also do this with a pearl necklace, a link necklace. This is what I'm working with. So those are the 4 things you need to make this happen. Let's get started. The first step, you're going to take your necktie and you want to make sure that you leave a little length at the end of the necktie because you're going to use this to tie around the tie. So you kind of have to eyeball it a little bit. I'm going to say maybe that's about 1/5 of the way of what's left. Just enough to kind of wrap around the tie, okay? And then next you're going to fold your tie over. So I'm going to fold over the front of the tie. So once I fold it, you're going to loop this part back up. So that's the first step. Loop this part back up. See that? And then you're going to fold again. Fold it again. And you want to make sure you're keeping the top part even. You're kind of making stair steps here. So you see, this is the tie, the first loop, the second loop. We're going to try to squeeze a 4th loop out of there. Bring that up just a little bit. You may have to adjust it. If you do, it's okay. Because I try to get 4 loops out of it. You can make it with 3. It's really a preference. Okay, so there we go. As you can see there, 1, 2, 3, 4 loops. So that's what that looks like. And we'll straighten it out, but that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna now take my rubber band and I'm going to tie it around the center. Two ties. So you see that? Tying it around the center. And this is the time where you can go in and kind of even out your tie here just to make sure everything looks even and looks uniform. And for the most part it does. And again, you can always go back and tweak it. So let me look at this part just to make sure looks a little even. And again, you can tweak it to your liking, right? Okay, so there we go. So that looks pretty good. So the next step, I'm gonna take this part that's left behind, and you see this, if I wrap it this way, it's gonna show the seam. You can do it that way if you choose to. I would probably do it the opposite way. I don't really wanna show the seam, so I'm gonna take it the other way. So I'm gonna take it around so that it doesn't show the seam and that it looks seamless. So that's the tie. So as you can see here, there's a little bit left, so I made it a little too long, but instead of starting over, I'm just gonna tuck it. I'm gonna tuck it, I'm gonna tighten it first, and then tuck it. All right, and once I do that, that's when you're gonna take your safety pin and you're gonna pin the back of it. We're gonna pin the back of it. Now mine's a little bit more difficult because I opted to fold it instead of start over, but that's okay. Okay, all right. So safety pin's on there. So now it's in place. That's in place. You can leave it just like this, as is, and this can be your necktie. You don't have to do anything different. Now I like to zhuzh it up just a little bit. So what I would do is then take a little pendant and put it in the center of the necktie. Okay, so once you get the pin on there, then the last step is to take your necklace and put it through one of the loops. I'm gonna feed it into, see on this one, I think I may have it in the last one. I'm gonna feed it into the middle one, I think. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. So just take your necklace and slide it in there, and there you have it. You've made your necklace tie. It's that simple. So you can do it with all different colors, gold necklaces, pearl necklaces, silver necklaces, all different types of pendants, rhinestones, but there you have it. You can start a cute little collection of necklace ties or tie necklaces. For more jewelry inspiration, for more fashion tips, don't forget to subscribe and follow.